Hi guys, so my name is TB, as most of you already know this. I want to show you in this tutorial how to use how to add the VAST file or a Google IMA SDK file using Easy Video Player. Recently I had an issue with a client with basically there was a problem with the format of the VAST file URI. So I've looked into this seriously and I find out that there was a problem here that I've solved it. So for example, I have here opened, if you look at this URI, yes, you see that it has these parentheses inside it. So if we add this here, for example, where is it, in the VAST input, and the shortcode is constructed like this, it will break the shortcode because these parentheses are not allowed inside of the shortcode. So because of this, the URI has the VAST URL I will call it path. The VAST path has to be encoded, and I will show you what I mean by this. So first of all, let's add the video. I'll just call it test and add it from the library. Okay, and now we have a video. The shortcode is constructed with the video. You see the video source here. And now let's choose this. Let's choose an IMA file. Let's choose this one. And make sure that you always use this button. Do not just paste it here, okay? So let's just add the VAST file using this button. Paste it here and then add it. This is encoding the file. It's also adding it in an object. After you add the video and the VAST file, just grab the shortcode, click and copy all, select all and then copy all, and paste it in a shortcode block. If you are using a builder like Element or I don't know, it works the same way, but just make sure that you add the shortcode in a shortcode block in that builder. Update the page and preview, and the VAST file is playing fine. Let's let it play and see the other if there are other files there. Yeah, so you see there are other. If I go here and play, it will play the next. Everything works fine. And let me show you now this one which was causing problem, to show you what I mean. So please note these quotes around this number. Sorry, not quotes, I don't know how to spell this, parentheses, straight parentheses I think. So notice this parentheses here. So I've copied the path, the URI. I'm always confused about this. And let's go back here, delete this, add it, and if you are careful here, you will see that the parentheses are encoded. So instead of having parentheses around the numbers, we have the encoded value, and this will ensure that the shortcode here will not break and everything will work fine. So if I copy this and paste it, and now test, this is a VMAP file, so this is the first video. So this is not using Google IMA SDK. This is actually built inside the player. I've wrote the code for this to play with VAST file. So this is a VMAP file that has three VAST file in it. So now this was the first one, this is the second one. It has the same video, but there are three different VAST files. I will show you what I mean here. So if I paste this, not this, sorry, I apologize, I just woke up, my brain is still a bit numb. So if I paste this here, you will see that this is a VMAP file, and it has three VAST file in it. This one, 1, 2, and 3. And the first one is set to start at I will also explain this a bit, even though it's not, you should not know this, but it will help a bit. So the first one is starting at the beginning. You see this time offset start. The second one is starting at minute 1, and the last one is at the end. It's a post row. And let me show you a simple VAST file now. So this is one. This is just, I'll paste it in the browser. You will see that is just a VAST file. See, VAST, and it's an inline version. Okay, so let's paste it here in the player. Let's delete this for now. Add it. In this case, there is not much to encode, but the same rule approach it's used. Make sure that you always use this button when you add a VAST file. Paste it, and now if I refresh, it's the same video as before. It's a bit confusing, but this is just one. After the advertisement it's over, you see there are no others VAST file here. So this is, I apologize, this is how it's used. It's a bit confusing here if you check it out, but and after you figure this out and to understand that you have to use this button, everything will be fine. So I will continue to improve on this. I have a few ideas, but for now it's working fine, and I hope this is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a very good day. Bye bye.